If you're looking to lose weight safely and effectively, your success isn't measured just by the number on the scale going down. Success means maintaining your independence and continuing to do what you love. This means improving your balance, carrying your groceries, and playing with your grandkids. Today, we're going to talk about important considerations for older adults on GLP-1s. We will discuss how to protect your muscles, your bones, and your overall well-being as you age. Hi, I'm Christa Steffensmeier. I'm a nurse practitioner with over 4 years of experience prescribing and managing GLP-1 medications. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic: using GLP-1 receptor agonist medications safely and effectively in our later years. There is no doubt that these anti-obesity medications are revolutionary. They help control blood sugar and ease pressure on your joints, especially the knees and hips. They also help improve heart health and protect your kidneys due to reduced inflammation. But for older adults, weight management requires a very careful additional lens. First, let's talk about muscle loss as we age and how this relates to overall weight loss. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. Sometimes, excess body fat can hide the fact that underneath, someone actually has low muscle mass. When people take GLP-1 medications, their appetite drops, which can lead to rapid weight loss. If we aren't careful, up to 25 to 30% of that lost weight can come directly from muscle rather than fat. Losing muscle mass can worsen frailty, reduce your metabolism, and raise your risk of experiencing a dangerous fall. As you age, your metabolism changes. Kidney function declines naturally, so medications stay in your system longer. This can make gastrointestinal side effects feel stronger or last longer. That is why a start low and go slow dosing strategy is vital for seniors. So, how do we protect our bodies and ensure that the weight we lose is fat while keeping our muscles and bones strong? The way to do this is to focus on lifestyle changes alongside of medication. View the medication as the foundation, and your lifestyle habits are the structure on top. Here are 4 lifestyle changes to support healthy weight loss. First, add protein to your routine. To avoid muscle loss, older adults using GLP-1s should ensure they are getting an adequate amount of daily protein scaled to their specific body weight. Because requirements vary based on your individual needs, it is important to work with a healthcare provider or dietitian to determine your target amount. When your appetite is low, every bite counts. Focus on high-quality proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, Greek yogurt, or protein supplements to make the most of your meals. Next, participate in regular strength and balance training. You can't preserve muscle with diet alone. You must give your muscles a reason to stay. This means engaging in resistance training at least 2 to 3 times a week. This means you are actively challenging your muscles. Bold provides customized strength and balance programs. These help you build strong muscles, keep bone density, and avoid falls. Third, prioritize bone health habits. When you lose weight rapidly, bone density can decline alongside it. This can increase your risk for bone breaks. Another reason for strength training is to help build bone strength. Meet your daily needs for calcium and vitamin D. Talk to your provider about adding these nutrients to your diet or consider supplements. Finally, hydrate and eat enough fiber. As we get older, our biological sense of thirst naturally decreases. GLP-1s can lead to mild dehydration and slow digestion. So, make sure to set reminders to stay hydrated. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water a day to prevent dizziness, drops in blood pressure, and acute kidney stress. Combine this with a slow, steady increase in dietary fiber to keep things moving smoothly. Speaking of digestion, let's talk about the most common side effects of GLP-1 medications and how to manage them. First, nausea. This affects about 30 to 50% of individuals and is usually worst when first starting or increasing a dose. The best management strategy is dietary. Eat smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day instead of trying to eat 3 large ones. Avoid high-fat, greasy, or fried foods, which sit in the stomach longer. If you're unable to keep food or fluids down for more than 24 hours, hold your dose and contact your care team immediately. Second, constipation. Because certain treatments delay gastric emptying and slow intestinal movement, constipation is common. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. Also, think about taking a daily fiber supplement. If you have severe abdominal pain or haven't had a bowel movement in 3 days, contact your healthcare team immediately. Third, diarrhea. Beware of fatty foods on injection day. If you eat more than a small amount of saturated fats on injection day, you will likely experience diarrhea for several days afterwards. Anti-obesity medications are an extraordinary tool, but they are only one part of the puzzle. Taking actions like medication monitoring, high protein intake, and targeted strength programming can help you lose weight while growing stronger and independent. Your safety and long-term vitality are our highest priorities. Thank you for joining me today. Stay bold and see you next time.